Did you know that Google is planning a massive revolution in the world of artificial intelligence? Google's ambitious quest is to transform 30,000 jobs as we know them today. By implementing AI technology, Google aims to streamline processes, increase efficiency, and ultimately replace repetitive tasks. From customer service to data analysis, AI algorithms will take over these roles. With the advancement of AI, Google believes that machines can assist and even outperform humans in various positions. But what does this mean for the job market? According to reports, this AI revolution could potentially replace approximately 30% of jobs currently done by humans. This disruption may cause anxiety and uncertainty for many workers. However, Google has a plan. They are investing heavily in retraining programs to prepare employees for the AI revolution. By developing new skill sets, individuals can adapt to a changing job landscape. Google aims to equip their workforce with the necessary knowledge to thrive in a new era where AI is ubiquitous. These training programs will offer the opportunity for current employees to transition into higher-level positions, ensuring job security. As AI becomes more integrated into the workplace, the human workforce will have the chance to focus on more complex and creative tasks. By harnessing the power of AI, Google envisions a future where humans and machines work together harmoniously. Imagine a world where AI assists in medical breakthroughs, drives innovation, and creates new opportunities. Google's AI revolution paves the way for a future that pushes the boundaries of human potential. Thank you for watching our video on Google's ambitious quest to transform 30,000 jobs through AI. Subscribe to our channel for more updates on tech advancements and how they shape our world. Until we meet again, Future AI explorers, stay curious.